If you've been searching for an easy way to manage your customers, schedule appointments, track leads, and send emails without the confusing dashboards or expensive monthly fees, you're in the right place. In this CRM tutorial for beginners, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to use CRM software. I will use System.io, an incredibly beginner-friendly, all-in-one marketing platform with powerful CRM tools built right in. Popular traditional CRM software, like HubSpot CRM and Salesforce, are cool. However, they are either too complex or ridiculously overpriced for small businesses just getting started. But System.io changes the game. It's intuitive, it's affordable, and yes, you can get started absolutely free. In this CRM tutorial for beginners, you'll learn how to manage your contacts efficiently, organize and segment leads using powerful tags, create a booking calendar for appointments, build and manage your sales pipeline, set up and run email marketing campaigns. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a freelancer, or running a growing business, this video will show you exactly how to set up and use a CRM without the headache. And hey, if you want to follow along, the link to sign up for System.io's free plan is in the description below. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and let's get started turning chaos into clarity for your business. Let's dive in. Contact management. When you log into your System.io dashboard, this is what you'll see. To manage your contacts, hover over the CRM tab in the top menu and click on Contacts from the drop-down. This will take you to the main contact page, the heart of your CRM. Here, you'll find a complete list of everyone in your database, whether they're leads, customers, or subscribers. Now, as your list grows, filtering becomes incredibly important, and System.io gives you multiple ways to do that. You can filter contacts by email, first name, last name, and more. But the real magic is in the tags. Tags allow you to organize your contacts into categories. Think hot leads, customers, webinar signups, or even freebie downloaders. This is crucial if you want to send the right message to the right people at the right time. Don't worry, I'll show you how to add and use tags later in this video. There are two simple ways to add contacts inside System.io. Option 1, create contact. If you're adding someone manually, click on the Create Contact button at the top. Fill in their name, email address, and any relevant details, and hit Save. That's it, they're now in your CRM. Option 2, import contacts. If you already have a list, maybe from a lead magnet, event, or another platform, you can import it all at once using a CSV file. Click on Import Contacts and follow the easy guide on the screen. It'll walk you through everything you need to map your data properly. Tagging. Contacts in System.io. Now that you know how to add contacts into your CRM, let's take it a step further and learn how to organize those contacts using tags. Tags are powerful. They allow you to categorize your audience based on actions they take, products they've purchased, or content they've signed up for. It's how you send targeted emails, create automations, and make your CRM work smarter, not harder. Let's break it down step by step. First, we'll create a tag. Hover over the CRM tab, and this time, select Tags. Click on the Create button, give your tag a name, something descriptive and straightforward like webinar signup or test funnel, then hit Save. Easy, right? Now, let's put that tag to work by adding it to a landing page or funnel. I've already set up a demo funnel for this tutorial. Let's open it up. Select the Squeeze page. This is your landing page. Click on Automation Rules. Then scroll down and hit the Add Rule button. Click the plus icon under Trigger and choose Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Next, click the plus icon under Action and choose Add a Tag. Select the tag you just created and then click Save Rule. That's it, you've now automated the tagging process. To test this in action, I'll open the landing page, enter an email into the opt-in form, and submit. Now let's head back to our contacts page. You'll see that the email I just entered is now automatically tagged with the test funnel tag we created earlier. This helps you instantly segment leads by behavior, and you can create multiple tags for different campaigns, funnels, or customer types. Want to filter contacts by tag? Super simple. In the Contacts section, just select Tag from the filter options, choose the tag you want to search by, and voila! Your contact list is now filtered based on that tag. Appointment scheduling with calendars in System.io. Whether you're offering discovery calls, coaching sessions, or product demos, System.io makes it incredibly easy to book appointments directly inside your CRM. Let me show you how. Step 1. Creating a calendar. First, hover over the CRM tab and select Calendar. Click on Create New Event and then choose Individual Event if you're planning a meeting with an individual. Then click Confirm. Now let's set up the details of your event. Give your event a title, something clear like Free Consultation or Strategy Session. Then choose a meeting location from one of 3 options. For this tutorial, we'll go with the phone option. So I'll enter my number and click Save. Now let's add more details to your booking setup. You can enter a brief description for your event. This helps set expectations for the meeting. Next, set your availability. Select the days and time slots you're open for appointments. Add buffer time before and after your calls. This is helpful so you're not rushing between meetings. Don't forget to select your time zone, and then click Save. And just like that, your calendar is ready. Step 2. Adding the calendar to a landing page or funnel. You can either embed your calendar on a standalone landing page or place it inside an existing sales funnel. For this tutorial, we'll use the demo funnel we created earlier. I'll create a new page in the funnel and name it Calendar Page. Choose a squeeze page template to start with. Once the page is created, click on Edit Page. Inside the page editor, drag a row element to where you want your calendar to appear. Then drag the calendar element into that row. The calendar you just created will instantly display on the page. From here, you can customize the design, update the form fields, and match the layout to your branding. Important: the calendar already comes with its own built-in opt-in form, so make sure to remove any additional forms on the page. This prevents any technical hiccups. When you're happy with the look, hit Save, and your appointment page is ready to go live. Pipeline management. In System.io. While a sales funnel shows how many leads you're attracting and converting at each stage, more like a marketing perspective, a sales pipeline focuses on the actions you or your sales team takes to move those leads to the finish line. In this tutorial, we'll be connecting both concepts by creating a sales pipeline and linking it to the demo sales funnel we've built earlier. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your sales pipeline. Start by heading over to your sales funnel. You'll notice that you can drag and rearrange funnel steps to match your ideal sales journey. This gives you total control. To create a pipeline, go to the CRM tab and choose Pipelines. Click on Create to set up a new one. System.io provides default pipeline stages like New Lead, Initial Contact Made, Proposal Sent, Negotiation, Deal Won, Deal Lost. But here's the great part. You can rename any of these to fit your business. For example, I've renamed Initial Contact Made to Appointment Booked. Step 2. Add contacts to your pipeline. Adding contacts to your pipeline can be done manually or automatically. To manually add contact, open your pipeline and click Add Contact. Choose between Add Existing Contact or Create New Contact. For this tutorial, we'll click Create New Contact, enter the contact details, and hit Save. That contact now appears in the new lead stage of your pipeline. You can drag and drop the contact across different stages as they move through your process. Step 3. Automate your sales pipeline. You can automate the entire contact pipeline process in System.io. Let's set that up. Go to Automation Rules, click Create. Click the plus icon in front of Trigger and choose the funnel and funnel step you want to connect. Then click the plus icon under Action, choose Add to Pipeline, select your pipeline and the stage, like New Lead, and click Save Rule. Now, anyone who enters their info on that funnel page will be automatically added to your pipeline. If you want to send a welcome email or add that contact to a full email marketing campaign, click Edit on your rule. Click the plus icon, then choose Send Email. Create and design your email, hit save when done. To add them to a campaign, choose Add to Campaign. Select a pre-built campaign, like our test one, and click Save Rule. Now your pipeline automation will add the contact, send them an email, and subscribe them to your campaign, all automatically. Step 4. Track sales from your funnel. You can even assign contacts who make a purchase to a specific pipeline stage. This is perfect for segmenting and managing customers post-sale. Add an order page to your funnel and place it where appropriate. Go to Automation Rules, click Add Rule, and choose New Sale. Under Action, select Add to Pipeline, choose your pipeline and set the stage, let's say Deal 1, and hit Save Rule. Now anytime someone buys from you, they're automatically assigned to the Deal 1 stage. Email marketing with System.io. Whether you're sending one-time broadcasts or setting up complete email automation sequences, System.io makes it incredibly easy, even for beginners. When you hover over the Emails tab, you'll see 3 core options. Newsletters, for sending broadcast emails to your subscribers. Campaigns, for setting up automated email sequences. Statistics, to track the performance of your emails. Let's break these down one by one. 1. Creating a newsletter, broadcast email. The newsletter option is great when you want to send a one-time email to a segment of your audience, maybe an announcement, a promotion, or a new blog post. Here's how to create one. From the Emails tab, click Newsletters, then hit Create. Enter a subject line for your email. Choose a sender email address. Important: to send emails using System.io or any CRM, you must use a private email address linked to a verified domain name. System.io provides a simple step-by-step guide to help you set this up. Once done, click Save to open the email editor. Write and format your email. Scroll down and select a tag. We'll use the test funnel tag in this tutorial. To send your newsletter, hover over the Save Draft button at the top right corner. You'll see 3 options. Always save and test first. Enter your own email to make sure everything looks good. Once tested, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for a future time. 2. Creating an email campaign, automated sequence. Now, let's look at how to set up a fully automated email sequence using the Campaigns option. Go to the Emails tab and select Campaigns. Click Create, enter your campaign name, choose your sender email, and add a description if needed. Hit Save. You've now created a blank campaign. Let's add your first email to the sequence. Click into the campaign, then click Create. Add your email subject, hit Save, then write your email content. As with newsletters, make sure to test your email before activating it. After saving and testing, choose when the email should be sent and click Activate. Repeat these steps for every email you want in your sequence. Note: unlike newsletters, you don't assign a tag directly to campaign emails. Instead, you use automation rules to trigger campaigns when specific actions happen. 3. Triggering campaigns. Using automation rules. Let's now connect your email campaign to a sales funnel using automation. Go to the funnel you're working with. We'll use our demo funnel. Click on the squeeze page, then click Automation Rules. Click Add Rule, select a trigger like Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Under Action, choose Subscribe to Campaign. Select the email campaign you just created and click Save Rule. Now, anyone who opts into your funnel will automatically start receiving your campaign emails without you lifting a finger. 4. Track your results with email statistics. To see how your emails are performing, go back to the Emails tab and click Statistics. Here you can monitor open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and overall engagement for both newsletters and campaigns. This helps you make informed decisions and improve your email strategy over time. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide on how to use CRM software with System.io. While System.io isn't a traditional CRM tool, it offers a simple all-in-one platform with everything small businesses, freelancers, and marketers need, without the steep learning curve or expensive price tag. Now it's your turn. Dive into your System.io dashboard, start applying what you've learned today, and watch how smoothly your customer management and marketing flows can become. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more beginner-friendly tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.